Most people don't stay poor because they don't work hard. They stay poor because of a few silent money mistakes that eat their future wealth without them even noticing. Today, I'm going to reveal 7 common money mistakes that almost everyone makes, often without realizing how much damage they're causing. If you can fix even 2 or 3 of these, your financial life will dramatically improve. So stay with me till the end, because the last mistake is the one that keeps most people stuck in the same place year after year. Welcome to Smart Finance Mentor, where we simplify money, investing, and long-term financial growth for beginners. If you want to build smarter habits, avoid financial traps, and create a path toward real wealth, make sure to subscribe because videos like this could save you years of financial stress. The first money mistake keeping people poor is living without a budget. When you don't track your money, you always feel like it's disappearing. You overspend without realizing it, and you develop no control over your financial direction. A simple monthly budget, even handwritten, can instantly make you more aware of where your money is going and how to fix it. The second mistake is relying on only one source of income. If your entire life depends on a single paycheck, you're always one company decision away from financial disaster. Building even a small side income, freelancing, online work, passive income creates a safety net and reduces stress, even if it starts small. The third mistake is using debt for lifestyle instead of necessity. Many people buy clothes, phones, or entertainment on credit, thinking they'll pay it off later. But interest slowly traps them. Debt should only be used for things that increase your earning potential, not temporary happiness. The fourth money mistake is not saving early. Most people wait for the perfect time to save, but that time never comes. Even saving a small amount consistently builds habits and creates stability. Starting small today is far better than planning big and never starting at all. The fifth mistake is not investing. Keeping money in your pocket or a regular bank account guarantees that inflation will eat it. Wealthy people grow their money through investments, even small ones. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start learning and take small, consistent steps. The sixth mistake is lifestyle inflation. When income increases, most people upgrade everything. New phone, better clothes, more dinouts. As a result, their expenses rise with their income, and they remain stuck at the same financial level. True wealth comes from maintaining discipline, even when you earn more. And the seventh mistake, the biggest one, is not learning about money. Financial ignorance is the most expensive thing in the world. Most people spend more time learning how to use their phone than learning how to manage their money. Reading a few books, watching educational videos, and understanding basic financial principles can completely transform your life. If you want to escape financial stress, start fixing these mistakes one by one. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be aware and consistent. Your future wealth depends on the small decisions you make today. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to Smart Finance Mentor, like this video, and comment which mistake you want to fix first. Your journey to financial confidence starts now, and I'll see you in the next video.